Welcome to Busted Junk Studio, episode 25. The last video of year 1 and 2019 in review. A year ago, I decided to create this channel. So I just picked up a cheap webcam and jumped right in.
I don't know, look at
At that point, I had no real plans.
It's terrible.
I'd not even thought about content, but I figured something would come to mind. Yeah, I still don't have a plan, but I'm learning about the equipment and processes of video creation. Actually, my first video was posted on my personal YouTube channel, Billy Stevens, back in 2011. I have 40 or so videos over there, and 25 over here, so in the past 9 years, I've made about 70 videos. Not a large amount of videos by popular standards, but quite a bit for me. I wanted to create a maker channel because that's what I basically do. That's what I've always done. I make things. So my first real content was making my microscope camera ready. This led to my second build, making the cardboard teleprompter, which took a bit longer than I anticipated. These were tools I needed to make videos. I could have just bought these things, but where's the fun in that? Starting in 2020, I'm going to do projects more like what I usually do, which is fix busted junk. So it seems customary that at the end of the year, creators make videos telling the audience how the last year went. So how was mine? Well, last year I started off with 0 subscribers, and at the end of the year with 27. So that's progress, huh? I also found that I have pretty good engagement. I got 27 subscribers, and I get about as many views, but more than half of my views come from people who are not subscribed. I found that many of my viewers are not viewing my videos on a computer. They are using Roku or some cable TV interface. They have no way to subscribe, comment, or participate in any way with my channel. In spite of that, I did get one comment last year, and that was from a viewer in Malaysia, so shout out to Malaysia. I just don't seem to get any comments or likes and dislikes. That's cool. Actually, the statistical analysis offered by YouTube is pointless at this level. There's just not enough data. I hope I've brought some entertainment to my viewers. That's all I'm really after. Well, that about wraps it up for 2019. It's been a great year. Had a lot of fun so far. But 2020 and beyond, the sky's the limit. So have a happy holidays and a happy new year.